Air. As clean as the world's most pristine places on Earth. That's what Broan-NuTone is helping families come home to every day. Broan-NuTone is improving your life by improving the air you and your loved ones breathe. Our innovative ventilation products are designed to clean and freshen the air around you, and to look as good as they perform. It's exactly why we're the leaders in home ventilation. Going about daily life at home generates excess humidity and increases harmful chemicals in the air. But we're here to help you make sure your home is safer, cleaner, more comfortable, and full of fresh air. While you get ready for your busy day, Broan-NuTone products are quietly working to better your air quality. As you work to stay healthy, we're working to keep the air you breathe healthier. When you're nurturing the ones you love, we're busy removing harmful, unseen particles. As you take care of your family, Broan-NuTone products are quickly improving the air in your home. So when you go to bed at night, you have the comfort knowing that each breath your family takes inside is as clean as the air outside. Broan-NuTone room fans and grills, delivering fresh air with impressive ventilation, all while adding just the right design touch. Broan-NuTone ventilation fans and grills have the power to improve the air while offering unrivaled features. We're creating smarter, innovative vents like humidity-sensing fans, antibacterial light technology, and grills with Bluetooth speaker technology. We also cater to every design need with options like recessed lighting fans and multicolor LED fans. At Broan-NuTone, we're improving indoor air, so every day, people can come home to fresh air.